In 1959, 9 experienced hikers set out on a trek through the Ural Mountains of Russia. Weeks later, rescuers found their campsite. What they discovered made no sense. The hikers had cut their way out of their tent from the inside and fled into the freezing wilderness, barefoot, at night. This is Deep File number 003, the Dyatlov Pass Incident. The group was led by 23-year-old Igor Dyatlov. All 9 hikers were experienced and well prepared. But when they failed to return, a search team was sent to find them. Their tent was discovered first. It was partially buried in snow. The strangest part? The tent had been sliced open from the inside, as if the hikers were desperate to escape. Following footprints in the snow, rescuers found the first bodies nearly a mile away. Some were wearing only light clothing despite temperatures below -25 degrees Celsius. Others were found months later. Several had severe injuries, broken ribs, crushed skulls. Yet there were no signs of a struggle, no evidence of another person, no clear explanation. Over the years, countless theories emerged. An avalanche, military testing, secret experiments, even UFOs. But none of them fully explained every detail. In 2020, Russian investigators concluded that a small avalanche likely triggered the tragedy. Yet many people remain unconvinced. More than 60 years later, the Dyatlov Pass Incident remains one of the world's most chilling mysteries. Why did 9 experienced hikers abandon safety and run into a deadly snowstorm? Perhaps the mountain still holds its secret. Deep File number 003 status: officially explained, publicly debated.